So there you have it, the Weather Tech visor.
It's got a nice flush and tinted look all the way from edge to edge, which gives it a really nice clean look for the car.
Hi.
Right there in the front frame.
Here's
Here?
fine. Yeah.
Let me take a picture.
Okay. Thanks. Obviously, this one looks longer, and the reason why this is longer right here is because this visor goes all the way to the edge of the window, right? All the way. Type of visor, it's just, it goes outside, which is why you need to put like the double-sided tape to make it stick from outside. So that's the main difference. And also this one is actually tinted, so you could see right through. Boom, see? Whereas this one is just like a black acrylic, like a plastic. You can't see anything. You can't see anything through, see? So that's the main difference between the two types of visors, right? And let's even look at how it looks on the car. So this is the generic one, right? Generic one, it goes out like this. So what you do is you put the double-sided tape and you stick it out like this. Boom. Okay. So that's what the generic one looks like, okay? Whereas, and this one's too short. This is actually not the right size for my car, but just wanted to show the example. This one right here, it goes all the way right here. So it goes all the way down here, as you can see. Boom. Right? And then you reach, and then you have to kind of pop it open. So you actually have to insert this inside like that to make it fit. That's how you do it. The thing about WeatherTech too is it comes with instructions right here. Right? So this one is more expensive. It's like double price, so that's why at least it comes with instructions, you know. The other one is no brainer, right? You just stick the tape and you're good to go. So, but I'm actually going to install this one, the WeatherTech, because I think it's better. It's tinted so you can see through, and I don't know, I think it's going to fit better. So we're going to go ahead and do that, install the WeatherTech one. So first things first, I'm going to try to insert it right here. Boom. Right? So insert it right here, boom, like that. See that? And then I'm gonna try to close it right here. Kind of open it up a little, like this. Like that. Kind of have to bend it a little bit, you know? And then like that, boom. See? See how that sticks in? That thing might kind of stick out a little bit right here. This piece right here, see that? Boom. That kind of sticks out a little bit right there. You just have to kind of play with it. And then I think that should be good right there. So that's how it looks right there. As you can see. Okay, so we're gonna do this side now. The thing to remember is that with this one, it has a curve for the MK7. See? And that's normal, okay? It's not weird. Just insert it. Right there. So insert. And then right here on this side. You gotta try to just bend it a little bit, right? And then just flex it like that a little bit. Boom. And then like that. Boom. So it's kind of nice and tight. I mean, you just kind of got to play with it a little bit, right? Make sure everything is inside. And yeah, nice and tight. Yeah. So it's right there. That's all you got to do is just insert it, make sure it fits. Right? So right here. See, now all I have to do is try to raise the window and it should work. Oh, it's still kind of, this thing is not all the way in. So I got to play with the window because this thing doesn't go all the way up, you know? You know? There you go. See, now it fits. See that? See, now it closes. So you just gotta play with it. If the window doesn't go all the way up, you have to push the visor out a little bit more, and then that way the window will fit. See, just like that. So now it's good. Let's check the other side. That, see? Goes all the way up. Boom. Yeah. Goes all the way up. Boom. That's really all you have to do. Make sure it goes all the way up and the visors work. So there you go. Easy peasy. So this is the Weather Tech visor. As you can see, it says it's made in Germany, so should be good quality, right, for this thing. All my cars that have like the frames on the doors, I always have the window visors, right? Whether it's the RSX or the Evo, all my cars have the visors. The only cars that don't have visors for me are just the doors that don't have frames, you know, like the MR2 or the 86. They don't have frames, so I can't really put like a visor.
I like the window visor in our cars. Before, I wasn't sure because I thought having the window visor might ruin the whole flush, clean look on the windows. But now I like it, mainly because there is function. It stops the wind from messing up my hair. This visor is actually a little bit different. So this window visor, it actually goes like all the way to the edge. I've seen some other window visors where it doesn't. Like it'll cover this part, but then like it stops somewhere here. But this is like nice and clean. Like it goes all the way down, covering like both edges. So I noticed something that I'm like not too crazy about. They got this little sticker. I'm not even sure it's a sticker, but I really want to peel it out. I'm not sure though, because sometimes when you peel the sticker, then it leaves like a mark. But I like things like nice and clean.
So my recommendation, especially for the two-door, is to get these Weather Tech visors because they fit flush. If you try to get a cheaper brand, like the one I tried to get, which was like a no-name brand, it's about 30 bucks. which is like half the price of this, is about 70 bucks. But you get what you pay for. You know, they're not tinted. They may not fit, like that one didn't fit properly. And I mean, it's just your preference, okay? You guys decide what you want. Those types, they just stick out here. This one, you kind of bend it and make it fit inside. So it depends on your preference. You just kind of choose what type of visor works for you. So hopefully this little tutorial of the window visors is helpful to you. Till next time, stay safe and keep on rolling.